The question which is haunting mankind from years is how to make money. The concept of money was different from different timelines, but the struggle to earn it was the same throughout. Ironically, the older generation was thinking to reduce the weight of their purse. But now it is the opposite, as it is now more standardized.
Ancient money evolved from informal barter systems to standardized commodities, pre-coinage money, barter and commodity money. Before standardized currencies existed, societies used a variety of items to trade for goods and services. Barter system, the earliest form of exchange, involved the direct trade of goods and services. However, this was an inefficient process that required a double coincidence of wants. Both parties had to possess something the other desired for the trade to occur. Commodity money. Certain items became widely recognized as having value and functioned as a medium of exchange. Early forms of this included livestock. Cattle, sheep, and other animals were among the earliest and oldest forms of money, dating back to 9000, 6000 BC. Grain. With the rise of agriculture, grain became a standard commodity used for exchange in many cultures. Different cultures have used items as diverse as salt, whale teeth, feathers, and carved stone discs. The invention of coinage. The earliest evidence of minted metal coins comes from ancient Anatolia, modern-day Turkey, China, and India. Lydia, c. 600 BC. The Lydian stater is considered one of the first true currencies. These coins were made from electrum, a natural alloy of gold and silver, and featured an official stamped image of a lion to guarantee their value. The rise of paper money. As economies grew, the inconvenience of carrying heavy metal coins over long distances led to the development of early credit systems, and eventually, paper money. During the Tang and Song dynasties, the Chinese government began issuing paper currency. The use of paper money spread across the Mongol Empire and later to Europe, where it became a standard form of currency. Now digital currency is gaining popularity.
Now the paper money is mostly used and preferred mode of currency, as it light compared to the coins. Now there are different currency for different countries. And also the digital currency is gaining popularity. Each country has its own currency that circulates within its boundaries. And the value of one unit in one country is also different compared to the other countries. In the sense, the value of $1 is different compared to 1 Indian rupee. Hi my dear friends, there are many amazing facts about the things we encounter in our surroundings. This is my small attempt to know about them, which we see every day but hardly notice or try to know about.